That looks so cool.
Look at
that bathing suit. It looks refreshingly brisk.
We're so happy together.
The old lady, her, and the old man, him.
Do you think in another life I could have been a bird?
Just say yes.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Like reincarnation?
Challenge it.
Forrest Gump?
Don't try to understand.
Just, yeah, not
I
on.
think
Depends on who you talk to. So it could have been a scene.
I just see a sequel with her. What bird?
Just waiting for the other shoe to drop, right? They realize they're from two different worlds.
I'm a bird.
My nose could be
Back! A bird.
Why is this so romantic?
Perfect analogy. But are you a bird in a cage or are you a bird who can fly free?
I'm trying to say something.
I'm two different birds.
Would you love me if I'm a woman?
The hardest part about acting isn't the lines.
She's actually suiting his life.
It's making them feel real in connection with their actions and the scenes.